How to select car in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select different cars. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the top, you can directly tap on where you're going. So you can select here starting and ending destination. So here I've selected one. So as you can see, it has been showing. Now here you'll be able to see a different car option. So if you slowly scroll down, here different options are available. So here you can see standard option, and here you can even see other options available. So these are some VIP cars that you can select. So there will be different ranges of price according to which car you select. So select the one that you like and you'll be able to ride with the same car. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.